Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Takeout for Google Photos. You have to start by opening your browser and at the search bar write Google Takeout. Open the first link and firstly click at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you use your correct account. You can add your account or so under manage your Google account you will see more accounts if you have multiple accounts. I don't have this, so that's why I haven't it. Firstly, you need to deselect all products because we want to select only Google Photos. We don't want to save information from another Google services. Then scroll down and you need to find Google Photos here. Then we need to select Google Photos. In multiple formats we cannot we can change nothing. And right here I have all photos albums included. So by default it selects all your photos, and if you don't want to save all your photos, just click deselect all. Then you can click select all if you decide to select all of them. It's up to you. When you deselect them, select photos what you wanna save. So let's say I wanna save photos from 2025 and 2024. Click OK. Scroll down. After that, next step. You can select how you want to transfer your files. So I want to use the link, but you can also save it to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive or Box. It's up to you, but I will show you with the link. Then export once, because I don't want to export every 2 months, I don't need it, I just wanna export it one time. Then we have file type, so we have zip and TGZ. I prefer zip, but it's up to you, you can also use another format. And file size. So if you save, if you have, let's say, 50 gigabytes of photos, it will send you the link, and you have a lot of links, 2 gigabyte each. So if you want to increase this, and if you have, let's say, 50 gigabytes, I recommend it to select 10 or 50 gigabytes. It's up to you, and then you have less amount of these links. But I guess 2 gigabytes is okay for you. Also, if you have less than 2 gigabytes, it will send you only one link. Now let's click Create Export. I will show you also one link, how it looks like. And now we need to wait. So we can sign in into the Gmail account. We can click right here at the Google Apps and select Gmail, or you can write the search bar Gmail. Also, make sure that you use your correct account. So, if you have less than 2 gigabytes, right now I select 2 gigabytes. If you have less, you will have just one link right here, Manage Google Takeout Request. You click on it and it will save you your photos. But we need to wait for this link, what I just did. So I'm going to speed up for you. And now we have this email, so I can open it. Okay, I have now. And so right here I have part 1 and part 2. Let me download the first part. As you can see, we have 2 gigabytes. Part 2, and we have 1.6. Now we need to wait. Now we can open the first folder, Google Photos. Now we have 2225, so open it. And I think you don't need JSON file, so I recommend it to sort it by type. And now we can select them. Okay, maybe not a time, not a good one. We can sort it by size, and then we can select these photos, then select to unpack. You can create new folder and save it in new folder. And you need to do the same with the second file. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.